Hi guys, and welcome to this video. This video is a fairly quick video, but really important if you want to get the most out of ChatGPT. This will really help, and with the latest version as well. So what I'm going to show in this video is one thing that you can do before you do anything else with ChatGPT that make the results or the information that it gives you better. And it really goes down to the theme of how to use ChatGPT to get it to do what you want. So rather than just feed in questions or anything that you want to ask ChatGPT, which will give you good results, there's one key thing that you can do that will work really well. So I want to show you this in this video. It's really simple, and if you do it, you will get far better results with whatever you're using it for. So in this case, I'm going to show you how to do niche research, but with a big difference. Okay, so this is niche research for a niche site, for an affiliate site, but the same thing would apply with whatever you're using it for. Okay, so I'll just show you. Here we go. Let's bring this up for you. This is the one key thing that you want to do. So this works especially well with the latest version as well. So the model GPT-4 that's just been released. If you do this, you will get far better results with whatever you're doing. So you can see here, I've actually put, you are now an expert at picking niches for Amazon affiliate sites. You are a master at picking high paying niches that have a lot of searches and low competition. Suggest a niche to me that pays over $200 and give me some ideas for key phrases that will get a lot of searches with low competition. And you can see it's come up here, high-end home office chairs as the niche. As remote work becomes more common, people investing in their home office spaces to improve comfort and productivity. High-end office chairs can be expensive, with many costing over $200, which of course leads to better affiliate commission. And you can see here ergonomic luxury office chairs. Then what you can do, so I'll show you something else that you can do, because we've set this as an expert. So the main thing here, I've actually told it, pre-framed it, if you will. So the GPT-4, the AI, is now an expert at picking niches. Okay. And then what I can do is take that list. So this is another thing that you want to do when you're using AI, is it will remember your conversations. So, and it will remember what you're saying to it, especially this latest version. So then what you can do is you can say to it, take key phrases above and give me a suggestion on the ones to use for low competition. Sorry guys, it's hard to spell and talk at the same time. Here we go. So look at this. To determine which key phrases have the lowest competition, I've analysed the list and narrowed it down to the following 3 key phrases that are more likely to have lower competition. Bear in mind that with this, you do want to back this stuff up with a keyword tool, but you've got eco-friendly luxury office chairs, high-end office chairs for back support, and durable and stylish office chairs. Then you can do stuff like this, because it's still all pre-framed from being like an expert. You can say this: take the list, take the 2 lists above and suggest a domain name and a sitemap for the site. And look at this. It's giving, so this shaves off a lot of time that you spend, and you can see here domain name, Lux Office Comfort. And the beauty of it with this is, of course, if you didn't like that domain name, you can get it to suggest 10 or 15 or 20. But what you'll find quite often is that by pre-framing it straight away, right at the top, telling AI who they are, if you will, before you start the conversation, you will get far better results with the actual information, and it will also argue with itself and give you its verdict a lot easier, than if you just went straight in and said, find me a niche. By pre-framing it and asking it to be an expert, you will get far better results. And then what you can do is you can look at, like, this is an example sitemap for the site. You can look at this high-end office chairs for back support, and you could, like, these sections: ergonomic luxury office chairs, high-end office chairs for back support. You check that on the key phrases to check their searches, but then you could also ask for like this: what are some brand names for high-end office chairs for back support? Here are some brand name suggestions for high-end office chairs with focus on back support. And you could even go further if you wanted to and not build an Amazon affiliate site, and you can ask like this. You can do this: do back ease chairs have an affiliate program? It's not. It's not doing that. But you can search for them on Amazon, or you'd have to go off and check that. But you can see that by but by pre-framing it, you're getting far better results, and you're getting all the information that you need. And on top of that, you could also ask for another niche straight away. So remember to back that up with a key phrase tool. Main point of the video is to pre-frame whatever you're doing with. So if I do another video on this, if we were doing keyword research, you want to make them an expert at keyword research and tell them specifically for what you want. Sorry. The more informative you make this part, the better content you'll get, and the better answers you'll get as well. So that works really, really well. If you're interested in this stuff, do subscribe, because I'm going to be showing you complete income streams using AI. So if you're interested in that, I'm going to have playlists coming up with complete